Okay, so for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and do installation on a side splitter for Camaro from years 2016 to 18. This particular side splitter comes ready in surface finish such as carbon flash metallic, as you guys can see here. Also available in gloss carbon and dry carbon. Part number for this one is vz102165. So right now we're gonna go ahead and drill in the side winglets. It comes with pretty much all the hardware ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and drill it in. Before you start drilling, you want to line up both the side winglets and the side splitter. Once you do, you go ahead and start drilling in order to add the bolts. And once you're done, it should look something like that. Once you're done adding the bolts, now make sure to use the nuts to tie them in. Make sure to repeat the same process for the other side, and once you're done, you'll go ahead and mount it onto the car. This is pretty straightforward installation. Okay, so once you're done with attaching the side winglet, make sure to align everything to your liking to start mounting the side splitter onto the car. Okay, so once you're done aligning everything, we're gonna go ahead and lift it up and start drilling in to properly mount it onto the Camaro. As you can see, we already have the Camaro all the way up, and we're gonna go ahead and proceed to start drilling. For the bottom, to hold it in, we were just using some clamps. Let me just raise a bit of it here so you guys can see I have a better. Pretty much all you would just need is self-tapping screws. And just make sure to repeat the process on both sides, both the passenger and the driver's side. And once you're done, you successfully have done the installation for the side splitters for the Camaro. So once you're done bolting both on the passenger and the front side, that's pretty much it. You're ready to go. So go ahead and lower it down. All the way down.